Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest social media tips to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super handy on the Facebook app for 2025. How to see your favorite friends. If you're tired of scrolling through endless feeds to catch up with your closest pals, this feature is a total lifesaver. It's all about prioritizing the people who matter most to you. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your phone. This feature has been updated in 2025 for a smoother experience, so updates are key. Once you're good to go, open the app and log into your account. Now, head over to the main menu. That's the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner for iOS users or top right for Android. Tap on it to reveal your options. Next, scroll down and look for the Friends section. It's usually right there in the menu. Tap on it, and you'll see your full list of friends. But here's where it gets exciting. At the top of this page, you'll find a new tab labeled Favorites. If you haven't set any favorites yet, don't worry, let's add some now. Simply tap on the Add to Favorites button, which might look like a star icon. Now, search for the friends you want to prioritize. Select them one by one, and boom, they're added. To see your favorite friends, just go back to that Favorites tab. You'll get a curated feed or list showing only their posts, stories, and updates. This is perfect for staying connected without the noise. Pro tip: you can rearrange the order of your favorites by holding and dragging them, so put your BFF at the top. And just like that, you're all set to enjoy a more personalized Facebook experience. Whether you're planning a catch-up or just want quick access, this 2025 update makes it effortless. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.